I see this so frequently, which is sellers that for some reason don't use enhanced brand content or A+ content, and that may be because they don't know how to use it, or they don't know what it even is or how to obtain it. And again, that's where the educational piece comes back into it. They might not have a storefront. Again, they're missing out on a whole another pillar there that they can use in sponsored brands and the storefront journey. Anyway, I think especially when you look at some items, Amazon Basics, is almost a business in itself. It's essentially low cost items that Amazon has made themselves and white labeled. You will never, regardless of who you are, you will never be able to compete with Amazon on the economy of scale. Jeff Bezos isn't the world's richest human being by sheer chance. So if you can't compete on economics, you need to compete on the brand piece. And what product are you going to be more compelled to buy? A mouse that says Amazon Basics, or a mouse that has phenomenal digital assets, and you really buy into the brand journey and where that brand has come from and how it's a small local business in the UK, or whatever your brand story may be. It's how do you pull the customer into that journey and into your story for them to build that affinity with your brand, so that when they need another computer mouse for a gift or whatever that may be, they come back to yours without just searching through all the other commoditized computer mice.